Om Namo Bhagate Vasudevaya. One name a day.
Name 41 Mahasvanah. Meaning of this name: He whose voice or sound is mighty and all pervading. It refers to the divine resonance of Lord Vishnu, which is said to be the origin of all vibrations in the universe. His sound is not ordinary, it is cosmic, eternal, and capable of creating, sustaining, and dissolving worlds. Spiritual significance: the Lord's voice is the Vedas themselves, guiding humanity towards dharma and liberation. His sound is compared to the Om Pranava, the primordial vibration from which the universe emerges. It reminds devotees that divine truth resounds through creation, and listening to it brings clarity and liberation. Symbolically, it conveys that the Lord's presence is not only seen but also heard as the eternal vibration that sustains life. So, Mahasvanah celebrates Vishnu as the source of the cosmic sound that pervades existence, while the next name, Anadinidana, highlights his timeless nature. Together, they show his power both as vibration and as eternity. Reciting Sri Vishnu Sahasranama removes all planetary afflictions in one's astrological birth chart.